Welcome to Wider Media, your number one YouTube channel. Today we are here at Kotoku Market, the Onion Market, to sort out the views of people on the new government and its impact. I am Ohima Wider. Follow me as we do the interview. Thank you.
My name is Said Osman.
What is your thought on the change?
As we see, we are all Ghanaians. And honestly, Ghanaians, we all vote for change. And actually, the change has been done. The government has been changed, and your mama is in power. So, for that one, so we appreciate and we good for that. And we are happy for that.
So what are the impacts of the change in government?
The change in government in this market, Kotoku Onion market, as we see, we have seen a lot of things, good and bad. The good side of it is that the price of the onion has been stable for some time now. But the bad side, as you can see, here is Accra Kotoku Onion market, and this place precisely is, we call it House Alive. We have about 3, 4, 5 groups of different groups of onion sellers in Kotoku market here. But what I want to talk about is within the change of this government, we see some people who are not in House Alive here came with guns, firing here and there, that they want to take over because their government is on power. And here, Kotoku market or Onion market in Ghana, the whole Accra here, we don't have that. We never seen that. If not this year, we never seen that. We never experienced that. We know here is market, we sell and buy, we deal with money. We don't know that some people are prepared with their guns, waiting for change, which we all want the change, but we don't know what is their aim. But at the end of the day, we realize that that is from the government who give them the order to do that, because they are in power. Every sector of the government, they are taking power, they are changing. So here they have to change the executive by force. So that is the bad side we see, because we don't experience that, if not this year. We've never experienced that.
So the gunmen wanted to take power over
the executive.
Over the place.
Yeah, the executives. And then control all the market, which is not part of their side even said. Saying that those here are foreigners, they are Ghanaians, they should take power, they should control the affairs of the market.
So, because you were saying that when there was a change in government, some gunmen came here wanting to take over the executive function of the state. Would you go into details?
If you allow me.
Sure.
There are those who came here with the guns. They are known people. Everybody in the market here, if you are dealing with Onion, you will bear with me that you know them. They are known face. So Onion market, as we know Onion market for more than 40, 50 years, nobody ever thought of such things, that if government come, then executives will change or something like that. Only this year that we experience that. So that's why I call it as a bad thing.
Okay. Before you go on, How has your executive been, should I say, brought into power? Do you do it via voting or you do it by appointment?
Yeah, Onion market executives is always by voting. It's always by voting. So when the market was at the Abubunushi, then we were transferred here. We realized that the market has been separated into two. Some came here, some took their way to Damnasi. So it means some of the executives have gone there and some are here. So which made some people or the elders to sit with the consensus that you are chairman, you are this. And then they share the executives for some times so that they will vote. At least 2-3 years, then they will vote. So that's how it works.
So how was it?
It has been resolved by the use of the power because the executives, which we all know, they were chased away by gangs, which we all know them. They even told us, they told everybody in the market here, that is from the government, they are on power, so they have to take away the power. So which some people even for next election. Some people some people told them what they will get, they are ready for you next election. This is what we decide, then everybody will go back up.
Do you think the other party is going to reciprocate what happened this
That
year?
is what they told them. Today, everybody, some of the other the opposition, they told them clear. But we here sitting, don't care about who is in power.
Do you think this issue has brought about anything like splitting the money?
Yeah, it has bring big issue, which I would say rivalry or something like that.
Can you then say that you are secure here in the market?
I can't say that because no, I can't say that because Kotoku market, this market as we are here, we have about 2 police stations which are not far from the market. At least one even I can say is in the market. But the gun was shot for 2-3 days. No any police man responded. It's not that they didn't hear, because after gun here, you can't tell me you didn't hear. And even a report was made.
And nothing has been done.
Nothing had been
The
done.
government was apprehended.
Nobody is apprehended. Nobody.
And those people are still in the market.
They are still in the market. Even now, if you want, I can take you and go and show you who shot the gun. We show him. Everybody saw him. Even as I talk with you right now, I'm sure the gun is with him. I'm very sure. Even if IGP is coming here to question me, I can take him there. I'm sure.
So, Mr. Osman, how is business after the incident?
As you can see, Kotoku Onion market here, I think I can say is the biggest onion market in Accra. But during those days, I think it's last 2 weeks, 2-3 days, everybody had to run for his life. Days that they were taking their operation, everybody had to run for his life. Because, as you can see, we onion sellers, what we know is onion and market and money. We don't know guns. So it's like our first day of seeing guns in the market, shooting here and there, and civilians. And those with the guns, they are not military, they are not policemen, they are civilians. So you have to advise yourself to know that.
Has it brought a decline in the sales of onion?
For those days, they are at least, I will show you that, almost 1 week. Business has not been good for us.
Is there anything you would like to put across to the government so that people get to hear?
As you see, or as you heard what I said, I'm sure you are also a human being. A gun, when you hear about gun and the person is not a security personnel holding gun in civilian, you know what it means. So as for government, this one there, I can't say what they can or what the NDC sympathizers have done to good or not good. No. The government knows better than you. Knows what to do better than you. Me sitting here, if I heard gunshot, Around on my right. That's all.
Thank you very much.
Okay, this is the Kotoku Onion market. As you can see, the onion market is growing. It started small, but it is growing and growing. Yeah, as you can see, onions are packed everywhere. And people are busy buying, loading, and carrying some of them. You see young men, energetic young men, carrying heavy onion bags. I sometimes wonder how strong they are to be able to carry such loads. Yes. And so I come to conclusion that if in case once you have a fight with such strong men, what will be the outcome of the fight? I believe these young men carrying onion are very strong. And so I will not have any battle with them. Yes. Look at one young man carrying a heavy load, a bag of onion, and running with it so that he can upload it as soon as possible. Yeah, human beings. Some of us are so strong. It's not heavy, a small thing you are seeing like that. They carry with ease. Maybe they have the techniques of carrying it so easily. Yeah. Just like this. Over there where the trotro are parked is the market station, where the trotro people, carry their passengers or load their passengers and then heading to media. The sheds are meant for onion business. So under the sheds are many people selling their onion.